there, Nicole. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with Becky earlier today, promising this short video, giving you just a few tips to help increase your online traffic. Now, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Please take these tips and use them for yourself. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'd like to go over is content and your website. So when I'm taking a peek at your website here, I love the simplicity of your logo that makes it really easy to identify and also makes it great for just blowing up, scaling down, to be able to put on shirts or, scaling up for a big wall mural at your office. All of that is great to have with a logo. Now, things that I do see missing on your site here is your phone number. Your phone number is nowhere to be found on this main page. That's something that I do really recommend that you get fixed as soon as possible. Having that phone number on your home page, and then even like a form for someone to fill out, that they fill out, name, phone number, and a basic description of their project, and then they just hit send and it shoots you an email straight from your website. Those are going to create some really fast turnovers for people that are visiting your website. They're going to be able to just very quickly visit your website. Oh, looks like services. Yep, they do kitchen stuff. Let's give them a call, and they give you a call without having to click anywhere else. Definitely something that you'll want to try and implement if you can. The second thing, as I scroll through, I do love that you have your social media icons on here. Placement of them, I'd love to see them a little bit further up top. I think that would really draw attention to those if you're wanting more traffic on those from your website to your social media platforms. As I scroll down further, the thing that I'm really noticing that you're missing mostly is actually just content in general. Now, when I'm talking content, I mean everything here on your website, the words of course, but also the images and pictures. Even how these pictures are saved before they're loaded onto your site is readable by search engines. Now, in content on your front page, I really like to see, and Google loves to see, 1,500 to 2,000 words on a main page. And I know, it seems like a lot, I get that. But I've seen some beautiful websites with 1,500 to 2,000 words. It's all in how it's put together. The other reason that content really matters and having more content really helps you get more traffic to your website is you're able to actually plug in a lot more keywords. Now, when I'm talking keywords, I'm talking words and phrases like this: bathroom remodel, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, is a great keyword in your area. It's got a volume of about 150. If we jump over here, see bathroom remodel, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, has a volume of 150. So 150 times someone is searching that particular phrase in a Google search. Now in here I've got pulled up a whole bunch of other different keywords and phrases in your area for services that you provide. So great list to kind of take a peek at. So the more keywords you get plugged into your website, and the more often those keywords that you really want to be found for are on your website, the faster you'll rank and get to the top for those particular keywords. Now, when I say we're getting you to the top and getting you ranked, so if you were going for bathroom remodel, Cedar Rapids, if you really liked doing bathroom remodels, which I don't know yet, but I'd love to find out. So if you like doing bathroom remodels, then this is perfect for you. And when I say that I want to get you ranked to the top or get you to the top, that means getting you right here. This position, which Home Advisor currently has, but they don't have to. Google actually really prefers to have the smaller business up here rather than these big platforms. And it's not all that hard to do. You just got to know how to do it, which is part of what I'm going through with you here. Now, in this section here is the next area that I want to go through with you, and this is the map pack. So the map pack is actually where your Google My Business profile is found. Now, and as you see here, we've got just the top 3 that are displayed, and then I could hit here and go view all and be able to see exactly where you're at within this list, if you're even on that front page, which I believe is around 20 on this view all, and then you'd have to hit, just like at the bottom of this page here, you have to hit 2, 3, 4, etc. Now, and to get you to the top of this, there's a few things that need to be done. And I have your profile pulled up over here. Oops. I had your reviews. I was looking at what you guys had done in the past. All right, so you do have all 5-star reviews, and you've got 10 of them, so you've got a great start there. Getting more reviews and more 5-star reviews are really going to help. But the other thing that I've noticed on your Google My Business profile here is, again, you're missing your phone number, and you don't have absolutely everything filled out here that you can. You've got your service area mapped out, which is perfect. I love seeing that, but you don't have your address. You don't have a whole lot going on here. And not having your address is fine, but actually listing your service area up here, so saying Cedar Rapids, Hiawatha, Marion, maybe even you venture into Robbins a little bit, having that listed here is really going to help you as well. Getting this filled out as much as you can is exactly what will get you to the top. There's one other thing that does go into this, and that's citations. And citations are just listings of your business in directories. The more directories you can get in, the better. Great way to find more is to just look up and see where these guys are at directory-wise and get into those exact same ones. Now, and there's hundreds of directories out there. The more you can get in, the better and the faster you'll get up to this very top position. And you really want to be there because 40% of the search volume for this particular keyword, which remember was 150 search volume, 40% of that is actually going right here. So we're talking 80, 90, somewhere in there is going just to these 3 businesses, and then another 30, so we're up to 70% total now. Another 30% goes to this top one. And then past that, the remaining 30% goes down to everything else. So really important to get you in the top spot here, the top spots here. That'll really help increase the amount of traffic that you have coming into your website. And then of course getting your website prettied up a little bit. Alright, so the last thing I want to talk to you about is actually going to be the back side of your website. And that's where I'm going to use this tool called Ahrefs. You saw me kind of peek into it earlier for those keywords I was showing you. Now, this just shows me how the backside of your website's doing. Now, you currently are showing 3 referring domains, giving you 16 backlinks, and you're only ranking for 1 keyword. Now, and that's throughout your entire website, not just your front page that I'm talking 1 keyword. So really definitely something to focus on over on your website is find a way to squeeze in a bunch of keywords. You can even have your pictures saved as those keywords. I mentioned earlier your websites or your search engines do read what those pictures are saved as. If we take a peek over at your competition, this Canterbury Kitchens, or I'm probably absolutely butchering that word. But this particular website, they've got 55 referring domains and 193 backlinks. And I know there was a bath remodeling site that was just outrageous in the number of domains and backlinks, but they were only ranking for, I believe it was just, they are right here, Bath Planet. But the only thing that they do is bath remodels, so I figured you can always go for all of those other keywords and really focus on making sure that you at least beat these guys out for kitchen remodel, because they also have bath remodeling too, and that'll really give you a step ahead. Alright, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you found this information really helpful. If you'd like to know more on how I can help grow your business and bring you new customers, reach out and we can chat. If not, as I said at the beginning, no big deal. Enjoy these free tips I've given you. And the one thing I do ask is, if you don't mind, please do reach out and just give me a little bit of feedback, whether it be in the comments for this video, an email in return, or even a call or text would be great. As I said, I really do hope you found it helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.